Hi guys, welcome to Tuesday, May 26th. This pretty much is probably going to be my last video because the rest of the trimester is going to be you guys finishing up working on your final projects and whatnot. And today is the first official day of it, but as of right now, as it's May 19th for me, there is no one signed up for the 26th yet. And so right now the first one is on the 27th. But who knows what might happen in the next couple of days. Sorry, goodness. But what I want you guys to do, you'll see in Google Classroom that I have a little section called Final Presentations. When you're probably going to be doing PowerPoints, handouts, whatever, you know, the requirements. And of course your Works Cited page, which is a requirement. You'll be turning that all in here. Okay? I don't want a barrage of emails with all this, all those documents. And even though you'll be showing them to me in your videos or in your live presentation, whatever way you decide to do it, it seems like most of you have decided to go live with me, which I'm excited for. But even though you're going to be showing them to me, I still need a copy of them just so that I can look back after your presentation at a slower pace to check off all the requirements. So make sure that is done. And then, of course, the employability assessment, too. I told you you would be taking a second one at the end of the trimester. I know it's only been like a month for some of you, sometimes less for some of you. But I need you to reassess yourself. But this time, make sure that when you go in, even if the boxes are all the same, you'll see these check boxes, make sure that your comments, you put a comment for every single one, just so that there's some change. Because some of you just put X's in the box, which I accepted for the first one, but for this one, comment in every single box, please. All right, so that is that. So yeah, really right now I'm sitting at final presentations. If you look forward, you'll see that I have everybody who has already signed up in the final presentations. As you can see, I'm going to have a couple busy days, which I'm super excited about because honestly I get to see you guys, so I'm excited. And then your last day officially is the 29th. Some of you, like Daniela, you signed up for June 1st, which is technically the day after the seniors are done, but hey, or a couple days, but I'm okay with that if some of you need to do that. I totally understand. I know your guys' schedules are busy. I know some of you are essential employees and are working a lot. I know some of you are babysitting your family members because some of your older family members are essential workers and they need you to babysit their kids. I understand. So yeah, and then I have this little video for when you guys get to your final day and you just want a nice little song. The official song, School's Out for the Summer. It's a great anthem. I remember when I was in high school and middle school, they used to play that on the on the loudspeakers. They played them, that song right before the final, or right as the final bell rang. They played that over the speakers, and it was just always really great. So I'm sharing it with you because it's my favorite intro to summer song. Alright, so that is that. I will see you guys in your live presentations with me. I'm super excited that those of you who have turned in your proposals to me already, they're really interesting, and I don't think anybody's overlapping yet, maybe one or two of you, but for the most part you guys are picking different cultures, which is again super exciting, and I am excited to learn about the cultures that you guys are learning about. Make sure that you're answering all those questions for the chapters, because remember that it is still textbook oriented. And if you use your textbook, which you should be doing, honestly, because it's going to help you answer a lot of those questions, especially if you're confused about some of the terms and you forgot about them. you make sure that in your works cited, the textbook is one of the texts that you cite. All right, that's all I have for you. If you have any questions, concerns, or you just want to talk before your presentation just to get any last minute jitters out or whatever, or know what the process is going to be like, or need help with what's going to happen during the process, let me know. We'll set up a virtual meeting or just email me. All right? Okay, so have a good one, and if I don't really talk to you, which I should, hopefully, for your presentation, but regardless, if I forget to say it, have a great summer. It was so great working with you, and I am so proud of each and every one of you. For most of you, except for I think only one of you who is a junior is graduating, so I'm so proud of you guys. I'm so sorry that you don't get an actual graduation, but the virtual graduation is going to be awesome. And 3 speakers, I was part of the judging group for that, so I've heard all the speeches. They're awesome, and I hope you love them as well. I think you're going to. All right. Have a great summer, guys. Bye.